your ex, which is generally perceived by most people, but you can interpret it the other way. So, how to forget your ex is easy. Just imagine that he or she have, or they have weaknesses, Achilles heels that every human being have, and you have to forget all good memories about him or her, and just remember that he or she or they have bad habits or bad things about their life that you haven't known before, but it's just take it positively that it's a good time for you to forget them and start over a new life, so that you can chase your dreams in the future, hopefully, and make good friends with positive people, so that it's easy. It will make you easy to forget the people that might harm your future, or might dishearten you, or might break your heart. The point is create new positive activities and make friends with positive people, so that it will make you easy to forget your ex. That's all.
One question. Got question for you, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa.
I have a question, Mr.
Keep going.
Many teenagers nowadays think that having girlfriend is a cool activity. That it is become a common culture right now in society. So, what is your opinion about having girlfriend and having maybe boyfriend, something like that? In context, it is a special relationship.
Special relationship.
But before marriage.
I think it's because of the media perceive that special relationship as good thing to do, as long as they don't commit major sins. But in fact, engaging in a special relationship is one of the ways that one of the doors that will open for you to engage into a deeper sin, or more severe sin. In fact, it is just a cover. The cover is made good by Satan. The cover made good by Satan, but we think the cover is good, but in fact, inside of it, a dangerous trap for you. If you keep engaging with that relationship, it will throw you into murky ravine, or throw you into a deep gorge, or Grand Canyon, like something. A deep gorge, which will make your future break apart, or fall apart.
So, what is the best solution?
The best solution, like I said before, stay away from negative people, toxic relationship, toxic friends. Make good friends. Make friends with positive people who have the same ideas with you, especially about your career in the future. Either you want to be a businessman or you want to be a successful person. You have to engage with an activity that interests you, so that you will not be trapped into that activity anymore.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. I really appreciate your
Great suggestion, right?
suggestions. Very good.
Advice. Good advice. Any question?
Question.
Please.
Okay. How to tackle
if that people do again the same mistake, after she or he finish to remember his age, and then the mistake same between them again, and how to make the functions settle down. I think it's normal because we are human beings. Sometimes that remembrance comes our way sometimes. Maybe you sometimes when you pass a situation or a place that you were with him or her, it will spark that imagination again, spark that remembrance or experience with them. I think you need to burn all of the memories, physical memories or physical anything that you have something with him or her. You have to burn all of them, delete everything, erase everything, and of course it's impossible to forget because we cannot alt delete shift delete our memories, but over time it will make you forget them. It's just about time, time heals everything. Time heals all wounds. That's the saying. So whenever the remembrance or the experience come up again, you have to throw it away as soon as possible. Don't let it stay in your mind longer. Let's say even for 1 minute or half a minute. That's the main thing.
Don't let that things conquer us.
Yeah, don't let it stand. Don't let it stand.
Right, got him. Hey, Pa, we got him. Right. Last question, one more question from me, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa. That's my best word as I know nowadays. It teaches me about anything about vocabulary, English, and then president. And then I want to give you a simple question for you, that because I was new you 2011 at the time, that. But have you ever fell in love or not?
Yeah, everyone have, because love is the gift.
Yeah, sure.
If we don't have love, we're not normal. Normal human being must have love. But if you don't have love, it's abnormal. Because I'm normal, I have love. I have ever fallen in love. I've ever been smitten with somebody, but over time, I can heal all the wounds. Because time heals all the wounds by doing positive things and engage with positive people. That's all.
Alright, crystal clear. Thank you so much, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa. Pick somebody else.